What is one superpower that you've unlocked since becoming a mom?
I think it uses the fact that there's time. Like, I had used to think that life is very busy before having a kid, and the job, the house, other things, and then there's a kid who needs so much more time. And still they're able to manage all the other things in whatever shape and form. And I suddenly feel that where was all this time coming from? And what were we doing all this time earlier? Why were we not utilizing it any better? And suddenly it's like, it's manageable.
Okay.
Right? So it's just that you need to think in that terms. But like just the fact that the kid would wake you up middle of the night. My son is not a very, very good sleeper. So in the last 1.75 years, I don't think I've had a full night's sleep when he's around, right? So it's always been waking up in the night, having him sleep on the lap for a couple of hours in the middle of the night, but still you start and like just continue with your day. I'm doing a full-time job.
Okay. That
So-
must be hectic.
Correct. So it does get overwhelming at times, but it's still continuing. And then suddenly I feel like, how is this happening?
But you're liking it.
I'm liking it, right? So I know that if I leave something right now, 3-4 years down the line, I'll be like, now what? Right? And getting back into workforce at that point will obviously be difficult. Plus, I also want to make an impression for him, a reason for him to know that this is what life is, right?
Yeah.
Just sitting at home, waiting for him, or always being available is also not the right learning for him.
Fair enough. So you're learning time management and multitasking.
Exactly. Time management, multitasking, and the fact that it's all possible,
Yeah.
right? But obviously, enough support from family.
Yes.
That's essential.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.